Na, ayan, dumilim na po. See? Kakatingin tayo ng student. Mag 8 AM na. So, Mandali lang Ate Chloe. Gusto daw mamaya, baka lang. Sobrang lamig kasi. Yung hangin. Student ko si Ate Chloe kasi hindi naman nakakapasok si Trixie dahil meron siyang sore throat or lagnat for 3 araw na siya. So, hindi talaga siya makakapasok. Tingnan natin sa Ate Chloe kasi bababa dun sa school bus. Takbo na! Kaya nag-uulan! Nantuwa yung mga babies kapag nandito na si Ate Chloe. Lalo na si Snowball. Ate Chloe, merienda ka na dyan. Pag-dryer. So, tutupin na natin to diretso. Kasi kapag minute, mayama pa to. Maraming fold yung damit.
Already got one. I think like that one better.
Yeah. Masarap ng apple na to. Hanap tayo ng ibang apple. Ano nangyari sa iyo?
Throw the fruit you want. The bunch of green in. Alright, that's good. Yep.
Ito yung potato. Ito yung potato.
We got to see the watermelons here.
I think so.
If not, we get you a little watermelon like that.
Balik natin ito.
We'll get you watermelon with it.
Ayan.
So you stay here. We'll go get celery.
Trixie, Rizal. Mahal ng King Hawaiian. Gawa tayo nito. Ito yung bread na hinahanap natin. White bread. Mas gusto nila to. Dalawa yung kunin natin. Dalawa. Trixie, naantok na si Trixie. Tapos na kami mag-grocery, papunta kami din sa may mga accessories. Ay, dito pala. Nasaan yung mga accessories? Hindi dito, doon.
No, the top. You can. Come on.
What?
You still want pizza? My door.
Well done, baby. Gawin na kami, ang ganda ng araw. After ng grocery, pumunta kami dito ng kaibigan ko sa church. Walking, kasama ko yung kaibigan ko. Sobrang ganda dito maglakad-lakad. Nakaka-relax yung hangin. As in talagang makakapag-exercise ka ng mas maayos at mas kalmado. Ating, dito? Ang sarap nito as in talaga. Sobrang sarap niyang bread. Parang wala kang makikita sa loob or something. Basta ano lang siya. Nakalagay lang kasi dito na all butter croissants. Kung ano yung pwede nyo ibasa dyan, basta ganun yung pag-pronounce ko. Charis. To. Ito kasi, favorite na to. Nabili namin to sa Asian store. Itong pang-dut-dut sa kape. Tingnan nyo, may kape dyan sa picture. Ginaya niya din yan. Hindi. Kasi diba sa atin, lagi tayo nadudutot ng tinapay. Parang ito na yung nagiging pandesal dito. Kaso nga lang, syempre, mas masarap pa rin yung pandesal. And yung gusto kong kapalit ng ating pandesal is itong all butter croissant or croissant. Charis. So, yan. Sobrang sarap nila. As in talaga, the best na bread na natikman ko sa buong life ko. So, ayan, nagluluto tayo. Medyo magulo pa yung kusina. Mag-aayos tayo later on. Nagluto ako nitong American dish. Ayan. Tapos, hindi na talaga ito naalis. Tapos, pumili din kami ng saging kasi nga wala ng protest dito. Nag-cut ulit ng grass. Pero medyo maputik ngayon kaya hanggang dun lang sa kalahati. Kinakat pa hanggang dulo. Pero hanggang dun lang sa dulo tapos papunta dito. Sa gitna lang hanggang dun sa bato. Ayan, hindi pa lahat nakakat yung grass. Pero hopefully yung grass. Araw, nakita nyo. Tapos may eclipse. Yung eclipse sa birthday ko pa. 10 minutes siya mag-stop. Tapos it's gonna be get dark. So, napapaaraw lang kami dito. Tapos, sinacharge ko tong scooter.
Mama, aram mo akay nagdudulong. Kay nakapagiging gabi na.
Dark?
Magiging dark.
Did you check it? If it's half?
Magiging dark na. Nagdulong na ba?
Getting dark? Wala, dumidilim na siya.
Where are the glasses? There's a storm coming.
No storm coming. Looks like it.
I'm just joking.
You look out, I mean, it looks like it's almost ready to rain or something,
Yeah.
like a dark cloud.
Oh, go sit in the chair. Fall up. Yeah, that's cool. All right, quit jumping.
But look out.
Trying different
Actually, at school.
It's raining.
And gumagabi na.
Look how dark it's got.
I thought it was gonna be Chloe. I thought
Hindi na, oh,
That one and that
madilim
one.
na.
Wow.
Madilim na. Ayan, dumilim na.
What's it like back in the back?
It's getting darker.
Okay, let's get
It's getting dark.
Wow.
See?
See, there's that star I was telling you about.
Oh, there's a star.
Oh, look, it's almost gone. It's almost gone.
Look at
now.
That's cool.
Wow.
Oh my god, it's dark.
You don't need to.
It's
you just look at it
dark.
right now.
Wow.
Wow,
Next
that's
few minutes, you can
amazing.
Look at them just like this.
That's cool.
Ew, that's covered my sun.
Ano, hindi masyado kita.
I like the
Joe Biden, what's in here now? Yeah. Free, come on.
There's a bug.
Oh, don't worry about no bugs.
I didn't think it was going to turn that dark out.
Look at the trail. You can barely see
I mean,
the
it's
trailblazer.
actually. Your mom wants to fix the lights.
I can't see that hardly either. I wish she like fixing cars.
Nagliliwanag ulit.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
No more. Look at it. Oh, look.
It's getting light again.
It's fast.
You might like this.
Birthday ko ngayon, so nag-iihaw lang kami sa labas. Nag-iihaw ng fried chicken, tapos nanood din kami ng eclipse. Sobrang ganda ng eclipse, as in best experience. Tsaka sa mga old car, sumakay kami ng old car last dun sa pinakita ko kanina. So the best experience for my birthdays. Ayun, napapakita ko lang yung inihaw namin for today's video kasi ulam din namin ngayong gabi. So tara.
So the battery don't go.
Oh, that was a good one.
Parang ang sarap niya, chicken inihaw.
Wait. Oh. Why is this so hard to close? I have to push. Okay, there you go. Okay, done. Okay. Have to go outside. Oh, the fire is burning me. Video girl. It's so hot.
What time is it? 6 o'clock, right? Come on, come. Come on.
Ang ganda ng araw, nag-cut ng grass. Pagka ganitong spring or summer, nagka-cut na yung mga tao dito ng grass. Kaya, ang sarap maglakad-lakad. Kanina nag-walking kami dun sa simbahan. Ang laki ng simbahan, ang sarap din maglakad-lakad. Dito ka lang sa malapit.